Welcome to the course Unix and Shell Programming. Myself S. Nagmalikraj, Assistant Professor at CSC Department from Vignan Institute of Information Technology. From lecture 1, in previous session we discussed that what are the rules that are associated with commands. So, what is the length of that command? Lowercase we have to write, for options we have to write hyphen, like that we have seen so many rules. Now we are going to discuss about meta characters. Now what is the role of meta characters and what is the role of star option and what is the effect of question mark and what is the effect of range option. Now let us discuss all those meta characters or wildcards with the help of examples. Now while coming to meta characters or also called as special characters, now let us see, special characters or meta characters have a special meaning to the shell because they can be used as a wildcards to specify the name of a file without having to type out the file's full names. No need to write any full name of the file. With the help of these wildcards or meta characters we can write. So let us see how this will possible or what is the role of meta characters. Now, there are so many meta characters are there. In that we consider very important meta characters that are very frequently that we are using meta characters. In that first one is star. Okay, star symbol or star wildcard or star meta character. So this indicates any number of characters. So this indicates, star indicates any number of characters. Now let us see. This wildcard selects all the files that matches the expression by replacing the asterisk mark with any set of zeros or zero or more characters. So let us see some examples. Here, list all the files that starts with the name file. For example, ls is the command, file space this asterisk symbol or star symbol. This indicates 0 or more characters. So the file name is started with the letters F-I-L-E. After that we are writing star. This indicates after the file name file 0 to any number of characters, those file names will list out. So here the output is file 1, file 2, file new. If you consider why these three file names came means FILE, FILE, FILE is common because we are writing here FILE. Now after that star symbol is there. This means asterisk mark or this wildcard is 0 or more characters. That means after this file here one character is there, whatever it may be, either digits or symbols or any other characters, whatever it may be. So here star symbol, no, that's why here 1 is there, so 2 is there, it comes NEW, 3 characters is there. We are saying 0 or more characters. So that's why these 3 file names came. Because the star wildcard or the star meta character helps 0 or more characters. Now let us see what happens if you write that star symbol before that file name. ls star file. This indicates all file names will end like this FILE. Before that n number of characters. See here FILE, this file will came A file, B file, NEW file. So here file we are this underline, if you observe this one, this is before that star is there, that indicates before that name, that means every file name is ended with FILE. Before that how many characters are there, that means 0 or more characters, it will list out all those file names. So file will come A, so we have written star, no, that's why this file also will come, B, this file also will come, NEW, here 3 characters are there because we are using star, that's why this file also will come. So in this way we will use this star meta character. Now we will see the question mark, that is single character. So it will matches only with exact single character only. If you want more than 1 or more than 0 or more characters, then we will use star. If you want only exactly 1, then we will use the question mark. So if you consider this example, file So file question mark is there. That means after this name, FILE file name, whatever the character maybe or a digit or any letter, whatever the symbol, only one occurrence will happen. That means file 1 question mark is, it will match in here with only one digit or one character, means here 1 is there. Here also question mark. We are using here question mark now. So in this 1 came, file 2 came, and file A came, because after the file name, file FILE, any single character, those file names will come as a output. For example, if any file name file 12 or file AB, it will not come, because here we are using only single question mark, here we having 2 characters of that file name. That's why these 2 file names will not come came as a output. If the after the file, if there is only single character, then only the output will come. Sir, if I want this one also output, then what we have to give? We have to write like this, file 2 question marks, then these 2 file names will come. Here we are writing only one question mark, that's why only single character files will come. File 1, file 2, file A, file C, like that. Now let us see this example, another example. The file name is ended with FILE. Before that, we are writing 2 question marks. So the file name which is started with 2 symbols or 2 characters and ending with FILE, those file names only will come. So consider this example. One question mark is matched with D, another question mark is matched with O, and this is ending with FILE. That's why this file will come. The file name is do file. Another one also, one question mark, second question mark, and ending with file. So the output, that file will come to file. Another name is there, file name. One is A, another one is 1, and this is ending with file. So this one satisfied. These 2 characters also satisfied, because we are using 2 question marks. So like this, we are using this meta character question mark symbol. Now third one, range. So single characters from a given range. So let us consider this example. Syntax is list. Syntax is list, file 0 to 9. This is the range. Here range we are giving 0 to 9. That means the file names will started with file 1, file 2, file 3, file 4, file 5, file 6, file 7, file 8 up to file 9. So within that given range only, those file names only will come as a output. For example, the output in the form file 1, file 2. Why this file 1, file 2 is listed means, because within that range only these digits are there, file 1, file 2. For example, if I give a range like this, file space C to F, now can you guess what is the output means? File C, file D, file E, file F. Only those file names only will come. Remaining file names will not come, because we are given here range option. So now consider this another example. The name will ended with file. Before that we are given the range A to Z. So the file names which is started with between that range, if A file, B file, C file, D file, E file, like that. So A file, Z file. So within that given range only file names will come. So this is the meaning of range option. Fourth one, multiple characters from a range. So this is previous we seen that third one, range option. With this, if you apply this one, then it means multiple characters from a range. Let us consider this example. The name started with FILE file. The range we given is 0 to 9, and after that we using this start symbol. So this indicates occurrence. That means if you observe here, this wildcard selects all the files that matches the expression by replacing the marked range with 1 or more characters. With 1 or more characters. Previously what happened, 0 to 9 means only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like that only it will matches. Now if you are writing this start symbol, if you see here, file 33. If there is no this start symbol, this file will never come as an output. Why now it's coming means, in this range, characters will repeat also, no problem. For example, file 22, file 23, file 23, file 445, like that. Whatever the digits, it will come as a output, because we are using here star option. If there is no star option, after the file name, only single digit will be there, then only output will come. Assume if there is no star option, these two names only come as a output. Here we are writing star option, that's why one or more characters, that means single 3 or double time 3 or another 3, those all file names will come as a output. Now consider this example. After typing this ls command, this list will come. These are all files that are present in my current directory. Now with the help of meta characters, what files will come as output? Let us check. Now can you guess this output? ls, now I am writing file, okay, question mark, enter. What are the files that will come as output? Question mark means exact one character it will matches after the file name. If you observe here, file, any file it will started with file, those files only we have to check. File, okay, it will matches. Question mark is there, only one. So this will come, file 1 will come, next one. Okay, file matches, but here two characters are there. It will never come as output because we are using only single question mark. So it will never come as output. File matches single character, so file 3 will come as output. File name matches character, so file 4 will come. File matches only single character, so file A will come, file B will come, this one also will come. This will not come because after the file name 3 characters are there, so this will not come. Here file name is starting with A, so this will also not come because the file name is started with file, those files only we have to check. So this will not come, this will not come. Here it is started with E, this one is B, this one is file, but here 3 characters are there, file, 3 characters are there. So this is the output for this single question mark. Assume if it is 2 question marks or 3 question marks, which file names will come as output? This will not come, this will not come. After file we have to observe any 3 characters are there, those file names only will come. So file name is there, 1, 2, 3 characters are there. So that file name will come as output, file ABC. Next if you observe here, file name matches and 1, 2, 3 characters are there. So this file also will come as output. After file 3 characters are there, this one also will come as a output. So here we are using 3 question marks, like that. Now file star, that means the file name is started with file and star indicates 0 or more occurrence. So what are the files it will come means, we have to check the starting with file. So file, it will matches, after that single character is there, so it will also come because 0 or more occurrence. So this one will come, this one will come, file matches, single character is there, so it will come for single match. A, this will come output, 3 characters are there, so this one also come. So this is the effect of star or asterisk mark. This will not come because it is starting with A, but we have to start with file. So this will not come, this will not come, this will not come, and this will come, and this will come. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These 9 files will come as a output in file star. So like that in range, if you see the range, assume 1 to 9, I given here range 1 to 9 without any star symbol. So only single occurrence of this within that range, that means file 1 or file 2, file 3 and so on, file 9. Only those files only will come. Now let us check what are the files it will come. File, it will matches. within the range 1 to 9, yes, one digit is within that range, so it will come output. And file after that 2 is there, that means 2 digits are there, 1, 2, but our range is only 1 to 9, so this will not come. File 3, yes, this will come. File 4 within the range only, so this one will come. File A will not come because we are giving here digits 1 to 9, so this will not come as output, this will not come as output, this will not come as output. And if you check here, file 2 is there, but after 2 some another characters are there, so this will not come as output. Here file 5 is there, but after that again 5 is there, so it will also not come. So only output is file 1, file 3 and file 4, only these 3 file names will come. Just if you keep this start symbol, what is the effect means, more occurrences, that means now this 555 also will execute, or it will come as an output, because here we are writing here star. So multiple occurrence means 555, no problem, so it will come as a output. So this is all about that meta characters that are supported in the Unix. So many other meta characters also is there. In previous sessions also we seen backquote, that means command substitution. So for example, if you are writing like this within backquote, so inside the program or inside the command line, if you want to tell the shell this one as a command, you have to execute, then we have to write in the within the backquotes. This is known as command substitution. So this is also known as meta characters. Pipe symbol is there. So many meta characters are there. So but these are very frequently that we are using star, question mark and range up. So while coming to summary, we've seen that the shell is an command interpreter, and not only that, how shell is acting as a command line structure, and we've seen that so many rules that we have to follow while writing the commands, options and arguments, and special characters or meta characters, how that will help also we've seen that. So star, any number of characters, question mark, only it will matches with single character, range option, single character from your range. If you return with the range along with this star symbol, then it indicates multiple characters from a range. So in next lecture, we are going to discuss how to write the new commands and command arguments and parameters. Thank you.